Our 2018 Fire Prevention Open House is always the last day of Fire Prevention Week. That's a national program that all fire departments across the nation open up their firehouses or come out to schools and other organizations to promote fire safety and fire safety education, things that you can do in your home. What we do here with our open house is we actually open up the fire department, and we allow the citizens to come in and we show them everything that we do, not only out on the scene, but what we do to be prepared for a response if you're ever needed to call the fire department. So everything we're doing today, we're giving fire truck rides, which is always a big hit. And then we're also showing off the equipment that we use and then some of the training techniques that we prepare ourselves for responding on emergency calls. Everything that we use is available and is on display, including, like I said, the fire truck rides is a very big hit. You know, everybody sees the fire truck going down the road, either with the lights on or the lights off, but you know, it's pretty cool to be able to get a ride in a fire truck. So not only are the kids excited about it, a lot of times the parents are just as excited to get a ride in the fire truck to experience what we're seeing and how we sit, because not everybody faces forward. There are some seats that face backwards, and it's a different perspective when you're going down the road when you're in the back of a fire truck. So everything from the fire trucks, you're able to get in them, crawl in and out of them, to everything that we wear as far as our structural firefighting gear, our self-contained breathing apparatus, the bottle that we wear on our back, to even the equipment that we use when it comes to extrication, the different hoses that we use, the big nozzles that we use. So everything is open for the public to come in and experience for themselves.
Awesome.
We like to be out in communities supporting them because they definitely support us throughout the year. So everything that we go out, like I said, we go to the schools and talk with the kids about fire prevention, what they can do, and go home and help mom and dad be more aware of fire safety precautions in the house. Also, as well as it's not just going out and talking with the kids, we also meet with a lot of senior organizations. We go to a lot of the senior housing complexes here in the city of Fitchburg and talk to them about fire safety also.